Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in the beginning tap tutorial series, we are going to learn the difference between stamps and stomps. So make sure to stay until the end of the video so that you can learn a little combination that will help you to perfect these two steps. Let's get to it. Okay, both the stamp and the stomp use the entire foot. So a stamp means that you're going to step on your entire foot, ball, heel, everything. You're flat on your foot, but you're going to put your weight on it. Stamp. Put your weight on it. Stamp. So remember, a step is that same movement, putting your weight on your foot, but without the heel. Step, 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 step. So a stamp is using the entire foot and putting your weight on it. Stamp, stamp, stamp. A stomp is the exact same thing. You're going to use your entire foot, but you're not going to put your weight on it this time. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Whereas a stamp is here, a stomp is here. You keep your weight in that other foot. Super easy, right? So to go over it one more time, I'm going to do it from the back. We have step, 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 putting your weight on it, no heels. We have stamp, 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 putting your weight on it with your entire foot. And we have stomp, using your entire foot, but not putting your weight on it. Great, okay, let's learn a little rhythm combination that will help you practice the difference between stomps, steps, and stamps. We're gonna start out with our right foot and we're going to do a stomp. So no weight on it. We're gonna keep our weight in our left foot. Stomp. From there, we're going to do a hop and then we're going to do a step. So we're gonna put our weight on it, but no heel. So let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Stomp, hop, step. Great, one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Stomp, hop, step. From here, we are going to do 2 stomp heels. So again, we are not putting our weight on it. We're gonna do a stomp with the left foot. Stomp, we're gonna drop that standing heel. Stomp, no weight on it. Drop that standing heel. So that looks like 5, 6, 7, 8, stomp, hop, step, stomp, heel, stomp, heel. And from the front, that looks like 5, 6, 7, 8, stomp, hop, step, stomp, heel, stomp, heel. Let's keep going. So we just finished our stomp, heel on the left foot. Now we're going to repeat what we did on the right foot. We're going to do a stomp, hop, step. So let's put all of that together again from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8. Stomp, hop, step, stomp, heel, stomp, heel. Now we repeat it. Stomp, hop, step. Here we're going to change things up a little bit. We're going to do 3 stamps, starting with the right foot. So you're going to put your weight on it. Stamp, stamp, stamp. So from the front, that looks like 5, 6, 7, 8. Stomp, hop, step, stomp, heel, stomp, hop, step, stamp, stamp, stamp. Okay, let's keep going. So we ended up with our weight on our right foot. We just did 3 stamps. Stamp, stamp, stamp. So our left foot is ready to go. We're going to repeat it again. We're going to do stomp, hop, step. Again, just like we did the first time on the right foot. Stomp, heel, stomp, heel. We're doing this again. Stomp, hop, step. We're going to change it up a little bit here. So rather than this time doing the stamp, 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 we are going to do shuffle, hop, step, stamp. put your weight on it. So let's try the entire thing all together very slowly. 5, 6, 7, 8. Stomp, hop, step, stomp, heel, stomp, heel, stomp, hop, step, stamp, 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 stomp, hop, step, stomp, heel, stomp, heel, stomp, hop, step, shuffle, hop, step, stamp. And from the front, that is a 5, 6, 7, 8. Stomp, hop, step, stomp, heel, stomp, heel, stomp, hop, step, stamp, 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 stomp, hop, step, stomp, heel, stomp, hop, step, shuffle, hop, step, stamp. Good job, you guys. Let's do it a little bit faster. I'll do it to the back again. A 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stomp, hop, step, stomp, heel, stomp, hop, step, stamp, 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 stomp, hop, step, stomp, heel, stomp, hop, step, shuffle, hop, step, stamp. Great, so then you are ready to do the entire combination again, but on the left foot. So let's try that together slowly. We'll do the entire combination very slowly on the left. A 5, 6, 7, 8. Stomp, hop, step, stomp, heel, stomp, hop, step, stamp, 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 stomp, hop, step, stomp, heel, stomp, hop, step, shuffle, hop, step, stamp. Great, so let's do the entire thing all together one time through. 5, 6, 7, 8. Stomp, hop, step, stomp, heel, stomp, hop, step, stamp, 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 stomp, hop, step, stomp, heel, stomp, hop, step, shuffle, hop, step, stamp, stomp, hop, step, stomp, heel, stomp, hop, step, stamp, 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 stomp, hop, step, stomp, heel, stomp, hop, step, shuffle, hop, step, stamp. Great job, you guys. So I know that that seemed a little bit difficult and you're probably gonna have to do it a few times before you can perfect it, but it's totally fine. Just keep practicing and practicing, and eventually you'll be able to really feel the difference between a stomp, a stamp, and a step, and where the weight goes. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial today. We have 3 more tutorials left in the beginning tap tutorial series, so stay tuned for more. Bye guys.